Hello guys, welcome to our video. I am Franz Leomar Melocoton Manalo.
And I'm John D. V. Gumapak.
And today, we're talking about operation of functions. And here is the learning objectives. First, viewers will understand the lessons clearly. And second, viewers can solve the topic. Operation of functions. Like real number, functions can be added, multiplied, and divided. Resulting sums, differences, product, and quotient will be a new function. And today we're gonna show you example of operation of function.
Hello everyone, this is example of composition. Our given will be C, composition of D. And our formula will be this. So our C is 3x squared and our D is 4x. All value of x will be turned to D and D is 4x. So this will become 3 times 4x squared. So expand 4x squared. This will become 4x times 4x. This is squared. Then multiply this. You will get 16x squared. And 3 times 16x squared is 48x squared.
And here is the another example of operation of function.
Another example is composition of D of G. And our formula is D composition of Gx. What is the value of D? 4x. And what is the value of G?
2x.
Okay. Here all value of x will be G and G is 2x. So for what is the value of x?
2x.
And 4 times 2x is
8x.
very good. And this is the answer of composition of D of G.
And here is the last example of operation of function.
In this last example, I will let you guys solve this. Our given is composition of f of c. Pause this if you take time.
And that's how you solve operation of function.
And that's all. Thank you for watching.